It is still early days in terms of OnePlus 16 leaks since the phone is slated to launch sometime in Q4 2026. However, early leaks surrounding the OnePlus 16 have already started appearing. Recent Weibo posts suggest that the OnePlus May 16th arrive with some major upgrades. OnePlus has gradually pushed refresh rates higher in recent years, moving to 165Hz on models like the OnePlus 15 series. The company is now testing ultra-high refresh rates starting from 200Hz. The possibility that the OnePlus 16 could adopt a 200Hz plus panel. OnePlus had earlier lowered the resolution from 2K to 1.5K on the OnePlus 15 to enable smoother 165Hz performance. It remains unclear whether the brand can maintain at least a 1.5K resolution while pushing refresh rates as high as 240Hz. OnePlus 16 tipped to feature sub-1 mm bezels on all sides. OnePlus will adopt 200-megapixel sensors for its 2026 phones, with the OnePlus 16 likely to receive a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 200MP primary camera with a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The OnePlus 16 is tipped to run on the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset, which may launch in September next year. It is paired with LPDDR6 RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Include a massive 9000 mAh battery, paired with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. OnePlus has not confirmed any details officially. The OnePlus 16 is expected to debut in China around October 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.